Because as you know, what's on the front burner today, even beyond the politics, is our universities, our lecturers, and our children who are out of school. And the House of Representatives decided to step in at that point 4 weeks ago. We've had a series of meetings that lasted hours, and we came to discuss and to discuss with Mr. President about those recommendations. But Mr. President, as usual, had a very good listening ear, and he took the report of the House. He accepted it. We discussed it at length, the details of the report, and he wanted to go through them himself. And he will get back to us. We have another meeting on Thursday between our good selves and Mr. President for his final decision. All that is left now, as we speak, is for us to come back here on Thursday, maybe Friday, I don't know, in the next couple of days for Mr. President. He wanted to digest the report in detail, and we won't know anything until Thursday or Friday. We had a good engagement. Very positive response. He asked us a couple of questions in some gray areas, which we clarified, and he accepted the report, and he wanted a couple of days to go through it.